Let's go.
The name is called Bilisar, and this is a box braided wig, and she comes in the color 1B, and she is 30 inches long. And yes, y'all, she is a synthetic wig. And this did not come with like a full closure. It's like a 4x4 closure, so you will not be able to wear this wig in a updo. You will only be able to like wear it down, because when I try to wear it up, like, you can see those gaps right there. So if y'all were to purchase this wig, just keep in mind that you will only be able to wear your braids down, and you will not be able to wear it in a updo. But that's like the only con that is a con. And also, like, the hairline, they say that the hairline is pre-plucked, but I don't believe that it is pre-plucked. I wish it would like fit more with my natural hairline, but it is a wig. You do have to put some TLC into it in order for you to get the desired hairstyle that you really want. But as far as the pros, I do like the style of the wig. I do like how natural the party space look, and I did add some foundation into the party space so it could look more natural and blend in with my scalp. You know, like I'm giving some scalp, like I'm trying to give y'all some scalp, okay? And y'all, don't mind my baby hairs. I tried to do my baby hairs the best way I could. I'm still learning. That is one of my goals for 2023, is to learn how to do baby hairs. I know it might be a small goal, but you know, there's something I'm willing to learn, and I'm going to get better and better every time. Purchase this wig from Amazon, and all the information will be linked in the description box below. And y'all, I think for my first time with styling a braided wig, I think I did pretty good. Let me know what y'all think in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I will see y'all in my next video. Bye, y'all.